Hello, this is my final project of the real-time rendering course. So I'm going to talk about the global illumination topic, and here I use the fossil coin tracing algorithm, also called VXGI. So this is an overview result of the final scene. I use the famous Bonza model as the main model here. So the main difference between global illumination and local illumination is that the global illumination also take the indirect light into account. So here I can show you the one of the famous local illumination algorithm called blend foam, and here I use the blend foam shading model along with a normal map technique. You can see it's not realistic as the global illumination one, because actually there's a lot of hack here, like it doesn't take into account the indirect color, and it assumes that all the ambient lights are the same, and also the specular light, the color is white always, so it doesn't have a very realistic result. And now what you are seeing is I only enable the direct light of this VXGI algorithm along with percentage closer soft shadows. So as you can see, if we only have direct lighting, then there will be a lot of black area since the light cannot reach them directly. And here I used a directional light from above. Here I adjust the light settings a bit so that you can see the effect of the different light position. And now what you are seeing is I enable only the indirect light. So you can see it's a very big difference between the direct light, and the main reason is that because the indirect light carries a lower energy, and the reason why it has like a gray white color is because it's kind of a mixture of multiple lights that comes from lots of directions and lots of surfaces. And now I am showing you the scene, which is a fossilized scene. So fossilization basically just like the rasterization. It's just we're doing the rasterization in a world space, a 3D space. So you can imagine a very large cube, and if we divide it into many small cubes, and we can use some 3D texture structure to store the information we need into them, and then we can use this information, which is stored in the so-called G buffer. We can use them to calculate the lights. And now I want to talk about the PBR, which is also called the physically based rendering. So what PBR basically means is that it is aiming to mimic light in a physically plausible way. So it usually generates more realistic result compared to our original lighting algorithm, like the blend foam I just showed. So here you can see I adjust the glossy property of the floor so that it becomes like more like metal.